how to find my Gmail account password on PC or laptop. So if you want to find your Gmail account password, then open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'll be here with Chrome browser. Go for the upper right, which has that profile. Go for manage your Google account and go for security option. Under security, if you scroll down here, you will have password manager. Go for manage passwords, and under here you will have all of the passwords of all of the sites that you have saved. So if you want to know the password of your Gmail, then search for Gmail, and here I have not saved any Gmail passwords, but if you have saved any Gmail passwords, then you will have the Gmail right here, and then you can open up that. So for example, I'll be choosing Amazon. For example, this is Gmail, and here you need to enter your Google password at first, and once you enter your Google password, you will be taken to the Gmail account password. And once you enter your password of your Google account, you will have all of the passwords related to Gmail. So that's it. You can simply open up that, and then you can go for the eye-shaped icon, and your password will be visible. So that's how you can find your Gmail password on your PC or laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.